My Troy-Bilt Bronco is getting gas and oil and coming up in carburetor. What is wrong?
Hello, my name is Jack, Mr. PUTTPUTT. I will do my best to assist you today. I am sorry to hear you are having problems with your Troy-Bilt. I run a MTD Troy-Bilt warranty and repair center and I am a certified tech on most makes and models. Can you tell me what brand of engine is on your unit? Also, can you give me the OEM model number from the sticker either under the seat or on the back of the mower? So I see that you listed the model, just need the engine make.
21D64 M1011.
On your tiller, what most likely has happened is that the fuel has entered into the oil crankcase and has overfilled the oil. Have you checked the oil? Is it overfull? What happens to these sometimes is the float needle valve in the carb sticks and allows fuel to flow into the engine when it is not running and dilutes the oil. This will cause this problem that you are having.
Yes, it is overfull. How do you fix it?
What you will need to do is empty out the oil and then refill to the full mark and then try running it again. You may get lucky and not have to rebuild the carb, but if this happens again you will need to do a carb rebuild or replacement.
I have only run 3 times since I bought it new.
This engine is known for this problem. Did you drain the fuel out of when in storage?
Yes.
So now when you put in the fuel to use it now, that is when the problem happened.
Yes.
Okay, I need just a little more info. Did you drain the fuel from the carb by the drain bolt on the bottom of it and then run the unit to make sure it was run dry?
No, just the fuel tank.
Okay, then that is the cause. For future times, you have to empty the carb by the drain bolt on the bottom/side of the carb. This is a 10 mm wrench head on the carb. There is one directly on the bottom and then slightly on the side. And once all is drained, carb and tank, run the unit to make sure it is dry. Their reason for this is that the float and needle has a rubber tip on it and the pressure from the fuel on the rubber tip, and this put an indentation in the rubber allowing the fuel to flow past the needle shutoff valve. Does this make sense?
Yes.
So most likely you will need to replace the needle in the carb. Have you ever done anything like this?
Yes.
Okay. The price of the kit is around $28.00 and a replacement carb is $58.00. They do not sell just the needle. 951 to 12119 is the kit number. 951 to 12124 is the carb number.
Thanks, Jack. I will order a kit. Hope I can get it fixed. Thanks very much.
You will get it. That is the problem. Drain oil, flush if needed with clean oil, and then repair carb.
I will get it fixed.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.